You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals 4700 over 3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 100 over 3 from both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. And so the final result is y equals 4700 over 3.